All right, this is episode 10 of K through 4th grade, What is Money, and everything that we wanted to visit with you about that. So this is my son, Cooper.
And this is my dad, CJ the CPA.
And we're going to visit with you about what would you do with $1? So, Cooper, what would you do with $1?
Well, if I had $1, I would maybe go to the 7-Eleven on the corner and get an 89-cent icy or, a 75-cent candy bar. That's what I would do.
Yeah. Now, would you save any of it?
Well, I would save 10% of it.
You would save 10%. Now, how much would that be?
That would be a dime's worth, so 10 cents.
That would be a dime's worth. So, what would you do with $1? You said you would go buy a Slurpee or a candy bar. But if I were to only give you $1, well, how would you save money out of this? You wouldn't spend all of it. Mm-hmm. So if I were at 7-Eleven, okay, and you're getting ready to buy a Slurpee from me for 90 cents.
Yes.
And if you spent 90 cents, give me that $1, I'm going to give you a dime back. Now, what would you do with that dime?
I would save this dime.
That's right. So, see, with $1, you can spend it. If you don't spend all of it, then what you don't spend, you could save it. Now, with $1, we talked about it earlier, you might have to use some of this $1 to pay back a loan. You probably would spend some of it and you would save it. But what we talked about in the very beginning, which is what is money? Well, money is to pay for things. It's to buy things. Why? Because everything costs money.
Everything.
And we talked earlier, what's something that doesn't cost money? If you're looking around the room right now, what's something that doesn't cost money?
You don't cost money.
That's right. And you don't cost money. So those around us, the people, they don't cost us money. We had talked earlier that, Cooper, does it cost money to grow your hair?
No, it is not.
But it does cost money to cut it. So the $1 that we're talking about here, there's so many things to spend this on. Why? Because everything pretty much cost money. That's why you need it. We talked about how you get it. We talked about how you get more. We talked about saving it. Mm-hmm. But let me ask you this. What would you do with $1? Well, hey, thanks for watching these 10 episodes with my son, Cooper. And we will have a series every Sunday for those that are older now than K through 4. We're going to have a series for those that are in college, as well as in high school or middle school, those starting a new business, QuickBooks. Cooper interns at my CPA firm. So we're going to talk about QuickBooks. We're going to talk about how to set up a new entity. So every week we will be doing 10 episodes. And guess what? If you're tuning into this one, you should tell your brother, your sister, your aunt, your uncle, your mom, your dad, your grandparents, your cousins, your stepmom, your stepdad, that they need to watch my son Cooper.
And my dad, JJ CPA.
There you go. So we appreciate you. Be sure to subscribe, turn on the notifications, and then don't you ever forget, you've never met a father and son quite like us.